Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to have a quiz competition which includes objective type questions from the first chapter of Indian economic development. The first question: India was under British rule which lasted for almost dash centuries. There are four options for you. First option 2, second one 3, third one 4, and the last option is 1. The correct answer is 2. Next question. The sole purpose of the British colonial rule in India was. Options are to increase production of capital goods, to increase handicraft business, C. to increase country's supply of finished consumer goods, option D. to reduce country to being a raw material supplier for Britain. And the correct answer is option D, to reduce country to being a raw material supplier for Britain. Now next question. Which of the following was the main source of livelihood before the advent of British rule in India? The four options are handicraft, second option service sector, third one agriculture, and the option D manufacturing. The correct answer is agriculture. Next question. The economic policies of colonial government brought which of the following fundamental change in the structure of the Indian economy? Options are A. Transforming the country into supplier of raw material. Option B. Consumer of finished industrial products from Britain. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. What is the correct answer here? Here the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. The agriculture sector during British rule continued to experience development, that is the first option. Option B, stagnation. Option C, growth. Option D, improvement. And the correct answer is option B, stagnation. Next question. Before the advent of British rule in India, India was particularly known for which of the following? Options are A. Service industry, B. Manufacturing, C. Capital goods, D. Handicraft. Here the correct answer is option D. Handicraft. India was internationally well known for its handicraft items. So that is the correct answer. Next question. Zamindari system was implemented by the colonial government in. Four options are there. A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Delhi, D. Bengal. The correct answer is Bengal. Next question. The stagnation in the agricultural sector was caused mainly because of. What was the main reason behind the stagnation of agricultural sector in India? That is the question. The options are foreign trade policy, B. Land settlement system, C. Monopolistic economy, D. Infrastructure. The correct answer is option B, land settlement system. Next question. Before 1921, India was in the dash stage of demographic transition. Options are A, first stage, B, second stage, C, third stage, and D, fourth stage. Before 1921. So the correct answer is first. A. Option A, first. Next question. The British introduced the railways in India. The four options are A, 1856, B, 1852, C, 1921, D, 1850. The correct answer is option D, 1850. Next question. During the colonial period, India's demographic profile showed option A, high birth rate, option B, high death rate, option C, high IMR, option D, all the above. Kindly read all the options once again. High birth rate, high death rate, high IMR, and the last option, all the above. Here the correct answer is option D, all the above. Next question. In which of the following pair of states cotton textile mills were located? Kindly read all the options properly. A, Gujarat and Bengal. Second one is Bengal and Maharashtra. C option, Gujarat and Maharashtra. D, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Question is about cotton textile mills. And here the correct answer is Gujarat and Maharashtra, option C. Next, the jute mills were mainly concentrated in Bengal, option A, option B, Gujarat, C, Maharashtra, D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A, Bengal. Next question. Which industry of India got severely affected under the colonial rule? Options are sugar industry, iron and steel industry, option C, handicraft industry, option D, aircraft industry. The correct answer is handicraft industry, option C, handicraft industry. Next question. Suez Canal opened in. The year is asking. The four options are there. First one is 1867, option B, 1868, option C, 1869, option D, 1870. Here the correct answer is option C, 1869. Next question. The year 1921 is regarded as the dash in the history of demographic transition of India. Once again, I am reading the question. The year 1921 is regarded as the dash in the history of demographic transition of India. Options are A, Year of Great Depression. B. Year of Great Depreciation. C. Year of Great Divide. Option D. None of the above. Here, the correct answer is Year of Great Divide. Next question. Gender bias in the society on the eve of independence was indicated by. Question is asking about the Indian population. Options are mortality rate, B. literacy rate, C. death rate, D. life expectancy. Among these four options, where you were able to experience a gender bias. The correct answer is literacy rate. The British rule led to the collapse of India's world-famous handicraft industry. What was its effect on the Indian economy? Option A, massive unemployment in India. Option B, increasing imports of cheap manufactured goods from Britain. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A and B. Here, the correct answer is option C, both A and B. During the colonial rule, the overall literacy level of India was less than 16%, option B 18%, C 25%, and D 45%. The correct option is A, less than 16%. Next question. When was India's first official census operation took place? The first India's official census, when it undertaken, that is the question. Options are given here. Four options are there. A, 1661, 1771, 1881, and the last option is 1991. When India's first official census operation undertaken? Here, the correct answer is 1881. Option C. Next question. During the British rule, the iron and steel industries began coming up in the beginning of the 20th century and dash incorporated in 1907. Among the four options, which one started in 1907? Which iron and steel industry? First one is Steel Authority of India. Second one, Gas Authority of India. Option C, TISCO. And fourth one is BSNL. The correct answer is option C, TISCO. Next question. Which one of the following was high during the British rule in India? Literacy rate, infant mortality rate, life expectancy, female literacy. Kindly read once again. Literacy rate, option B, infant mortality rate, option C, life expectancy, option D, female literacy. Among these four options, which one was high during the British rule in India? Here the correct answer is option B, IMR. That's for today's this video. I hope all of you tried by yourself also, and you might have got a good mark from this. Okay students, thank you so much for watching this video.